Hey guys, I was about to make myself a cup of coffee, but I don't have a milk frother, so I bought this one, and I think that it's nice because it comes the jug right here. It's a stainless steel jug with the markings on each level. If you want it, the cappuccino, if you want a hot milk, depending of what you want it, it's magnetic, okay, which I think that it's really nice. We get the cap and two little attachments. This one is for frothing and this one for just warming up the milk, which I think that it's nice. We get the instruction manual. What I think that it's nice is that you can also use it to make hot chocolate milk or any hot beverage that you want that involves milk, which I think that it's great. Okay, this is the main unit base. Okay, let me show it to you. It comes with a power cord just ready to plug on. To control it with this button, it's a touch button, and in here we can have the instructions on how to use it also that comes in the manual. Okay, this is how it looks. You just have to place it like this and place the cap like that, and now you're ready to use it. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here, this, and connect it into here. Okay, here in the quick start guide, we can see how to use it, okay? And what I'm gonna do is to set up by frothing and heating plain milk, okay? I'm getting it to the minimum. And I'm just gonna press the button once, okay? Placing the lid on. I think that it's a really nice multifunctional frother because, as I've said, you can use it to make just hot milk foam, hot chocolate milk, or even just the cold milk foam, which I think that it's nice with the different attachments that comes included. It's the ones that you can use to get any kind of milk frothing that you need. It's actually really silent and it automatically shut off when the process is completed and all the milk is frothed, which I think that it's really nice. I think that it's great that it's also easy to clean as it is stainless steel and you can just throw it into the dishwasher and just clean it up, which I think that it's great. Okay, and now it's ready. You can hear that it stops moving around or anything, and here it is. Okay, you can look at right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and toss it into my coffee. As you can see, it's almost like a cloud. Depending on the amount of milk that you want to froth and heat up, you can set it up, which I think that it's nice. You can also use it, as I've said, to make some chocolate milk, which I think that is excellent. And overall, because it's nice size, it's really easy to use. It's really convenient just having it around your house. And if you want to make some coffee, you just press it and heat it up and froth it quickly. And I would really recommend it. See you guys.